Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone, and welcome to our presentation on our research about the impact of artificial intelligence on assisting English language learning, perspectives of non-English education department students. But first and foremost, we would like to express our gratitude to our lecturers, Ibu Dea Silvani MPD and Pak Arif Nugraha MSc for guiding and mentoring us throughout this research journey. And I also want to introduce my friends first from our group. So we are from group 1. The first one, that is Susi Susanti with students number 222122041. And then there's Mika Salimatul Huda with students number 222122049. And I Mufidatul Khairia with students number 222122050. And then Alicia Fuziwati with students number 222122056. And myself, Trivera, with my students number 222122047. And I would like to express my appreciation to each member of the group for the dedication and the amazing effort. So now, without any further ado, let's start the presentation. So our first presenter will delve into the statement of the problem and the research question. Please join me in welcoming Aini Mufidatul Khairiyah.
Okay, let me explain about the statement of the problem and the research questions. As stated by Rahani et al. 2023, AI is a simulation of human intelligence program in machines to think like humans. As we know that AI or artificial intelligence is very popular this day. Currently, AI is very familiar among students. One of these, which is in English language learning, many students use AI in their learning of English language. Therefore, this survey is aims to find out the positive and negative impacts of using AI in English language learning. The data was obtained from non-English education department students, where the most of the participants are known and use AI in their learning of English language. And then Google Form was the platform that we use to collect the data. And the results of this survey are expected to help students to use AI in learning, especially in English language learning. Next is research questions. The first is, how do non-English education department students perceive AI's impact on English language learning? And the second is, what is the positive and negative impact of using AI in English language learning as seen by non-English education department students? Thank you.
Thank you to Ai for setting the stage for our discussion. Now let's proceed to our next presenter, who will elaborate on the methodology and participants involved in this study. Please welcome Mika Salimatul Huda.
All right, thanks to the moderator who has given me the opportunity to deliver information about methodology and participant of the data that we have collected. Well, here the data collection we start through a survey based on method using a questionnaire on Google Form. According to ITAL and ITAL 2023 structural questionnaire allows searchers to collect specific information to answer a problem with standard question with multiple choice to validate hypothesis. With multiple choice to validate the hypothesis that we have alleged. According to Washington et al. 2003, descriptive statistics are also used in the process of calculating the data consisting of the mean, median, and mode of the data. Descriptive, descriptive including explaining about the data that we have collected. Now, these are our participants. Our participant here consists of 44 participants, consisting of 37 women and 7 men. The age distribution show that 35 participants fall into 20 and 25 years age group, and 8 participants are under 20 years old, and 1 participant is over 25 years old. Our participants consist of various majors here. There are 26 majors here. This is the data of our participant majors. Two participants from the political science department, two participants from the agribusiness department, one participant from the food and agricultural product technology department, two participants from the law department, one participant from patient care department, one person or one participant majoring in biology, two participants majoring in pharmacy, two people majoring in public education, one participant with Indonesian language education, four participants from majoring in mathematics education, and 7 participants from the management department, 2 participants from development economic department, and 2 participants from Islamic religion faculty, 1 participant from the Sharia economic department, 3 participants from the public health department, and the last one participant from the informatics department. Maybe that's all about the participant and the methodology. I return the time for the moderator.
Thank you, Mika, for providing us valuable insight into the methodology and the participants. Next, we'll hear from Alicia Fuziwati and Susi Susanti, who will reveal the findings of our research.
Thank you, moderator. So as mentioned, I will explain the findings from the research we have conducted, particularly about the positive impact of the use of AI in assisting English language learning process, according to the participants' responses. From the data we have gathered, most of our participants agreed that they are quite familiar with AI. 84.1% of the participants are, or around 37 out of 44 students confirmed that they have ever used AI as an assistant in their English language learning, with chatbots as the most used AI tool, which is selected by 36 participants, followed by the second most used tool, grammar checker, which is chosen by 26 participants, then language translation tools, which is chosen by 21 participants, and then only a few chose content generator, which is 5 participants, and only one participant chose virtual tutors. However, in terms of assurance, only 27.3% of the participants consider AI trustworthy in assessing their English language skills accurately. Most of the participants had a negative response to this question, which is 56.8% of the participants, and the rest 15.9% were unsure. Despite the participants' negative attitude towards AI trustworthiness, the participants believe that AI can enhance their English language proficiency, which is in grammar, vocabulary, writing, pronunciation, reading, and listening skills. Moreover, they confirm that AI most likely enhances their English language proficiency in a way of instant feedback provision, which is chosen by 31 participants, and then progress tracking, chosen by 15 participants, and learning materials customization, chosen by 11 participants. In this case, it means that AI can allow the students to have a personalized learning experience, which is very beneficial and efficient. This is in line with what De Laval and Araya 2023 stated in their article that personalized learning experience AI offers can make it easier for the students to recognize their potential improvement areas and make it possible for them to receive real-time feedback from the AI tool. That's all our findings about the participants' perception of the positive impact of AI in English language learning assistance. Thank you. Back to the moderator.
Thank you, Alicia. Next, Susie is gonna explore about the findings. Still in the findings. To Susie, please.
Thank you to the moderator. Our research reveals various negative effects of AI integrations in English language learning, as reported by participants. Findings indicate that 40.9% of respondents experienced negative impact on their English learning due to AI tool usage, with 38 participants consisting decline their independent thinking and 30 reporting increases reliance on technology for problem solving. Although these challenges, only one respondent did not understanding threat to critical thinking skills. These findings underscore the importance of educators addressing the potential drawback of AI integrations while fostering critical thinking among students in English language learning contexts. Over reliance on technology appears as a major concern, highlighted by 41 respondents, leading to a passive learning approach. Additionally, 29 participants expressed concerns about AI inhibiting creativity and critical thinking skills, while 13 people respond to the importance of human interactions for communication skill development. Furthermore, 10 individuals note the issues of inaccurate feedback from AI system. According to Katie O'Neill, 2021, using too much on AI in learning can make students forget to think critically. They might just accept whatever answer the AI gives them without questioning if they're right or considering other possibilities. Thank you. Go back to the moderator.
Thank you to Alicia Fiziwati and Susi Susanti for exploring the in-depth explanation about the findings of our research. So now we're almost at the end of our presentation. I can conclude that our research about the impact of artificial intelligence on assisting English language learning perspectives of non-English education department students, highlighting both positive and negative effects. The research involving 44 participants with diverse educational background and age groups. And we found that by providing instant feedback, tracking progress, customizing learning methods, AI features such as translation and grammar correction can enhance English language learning experience. Despite these positive impacts, there are also some negative impacts or some concern about over reliance on technology and also concern regarding AI can reduce critical thinking skill. So to address this negative impacts, educators are advised or recommended to find a balance between the utilization of AI and traditional teaching methods by adapting pedagogical strategies that integrate AI tools in learning. And then for the references, you can see it on the bottom of our poster. And with that, we conclude today's presentation. Once again, thank you to all of the presenters for their amazing presentations. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.